If you got sand on the ground right in front of the jet, more than likely it's going to be the laterals of the filter. We're going to take that apart and take a look at it.
I'm going to take apart the sand filter, take this off, and then see what's going on with the laterals. Okay, take these rings off right here. Yep, that would do it. Yeah, so it's just old, right? It's all thin, and so it's all smashed to pieces. So these are the pieces that came off. So crack there. So we can't fix that. A lot of times at the bottom here, they'd be cracked right here when you're losing sand and it's in the pool. So look for cracks underneath here. And there's not much you can do because there's so much pressure that even if you try to epoxy that, it's just going to blow out again. So either it's going to be a crack here, or this ring right here, half it will be blown out. It will be pushed down. So just replace that. I'm going to put a bigger filter in here. Right in this spot. This one's small for this size pool. So you're going to put the new stem in. And this is what it looks like before you put it in. Or even when you take it out, you got to lift these fingers up. So when you put them in, once it's down there, you just go around, push them all the way down. So once they're all down, you just center it. Just now, there's a little bit of sand in there. I want to get it centered. Now, if there's no sand, if it's brand new, then it should sit. I put a little bit of sand in there because I don't have anybody here to help me. So when I tape this all up, I don't have to have somebody holding it. I just have to very gently put the sand in so it's in place. It's not going to move. So once it's in the sand on the bottom, put a little bit of sand,